Are you having trouble maintaining a property on your own, or you need some help? Don't worry, because our newest offer will have your property looking great in no time. It's an incredible savings on our property maintenance services that'll keep your property looking great. Call or click this ad now to make sure you lock in this special offer. Our clients love our amazing 5-star service and always return for an incredible experience. It's your turn to take advantage of this exclusive offer. Click or call us now.